Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP OfficeJet 250 all-in-one mobile device, and now I'm gonna show you how to check IP address of your printer to have access to the AWS embedded web server. So firstly, you need to open the control panel and then open network. And here in the network you will have the wireless summary, and here you can check your IP address, your network name, and the host name, and of course the bundle name. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye. See you.